You won't prosper until your season, fam. They say every fruit has a season from when it's time to produce its rightful harvest. And normally, this is around harvest season where we're at right now in October. They say that, in harvest season, it's when it's time to reap your hard work, the benefits, the sweat, everything you did in the field. And one thing I noticed that when you plant the seed, it takes a while before it even pops up out the ground. And a lot of times we'll get sidetracked, fam, and we'll want to hurry up for the process to go on and grow, and we'll go out there and check on it. We don't see no growth, and we'll get discouraged, and we'll stop watering, and we'll stop taking care of it, and then it'll wither away. And I also notice how we can stay consistent even though we don't see the growth coming as quick that we want it to come, but we steady go out there and water, we steady work on ourselves, we steady, do what needed to be done to get ourselves to that next level. And all the hard work you do, fam, that's in the dark, that's not in the light of the glory of seeing your tree strong and up, and you can be able to go grab something off of it. Before you can be able to partake of all of that, you got to go through some turmoil first. And by going through that turmoil, you're going to be able to see some things that you wouldn't have normally seen until you was able to endure that situation. So I just want to say that when your season comes, fam, it's going to come after you endure something. And I just want to share something briefly. I was learning how to blog and learning how to talk on social media and use the phone and how to, speak clearly and how to do certain things. I didn't know how to do it, but I had to learn. And you know what I did, fam? For a whole year, I made a video every day. I posted it, probably a short one, and I got a little bit better, and I got a little bit better. And it built confidence, and it built up a endurance in me to keep pushing. But it also built up an archive. It built up an archive because sometimes I started doing 2 or 3 a day. And now I got an archive showing my struggle, showing what I went through and what I survived and how I got to where I got to today. So when the fruit starts popping up on the trees and I'm looking up like, man, and even those who just now running across me, they're like, man, he's on this level. But all you gotta do is go back, fam. I've been putting in the work, and I'm glad that I did it publicly, and I'm glad I made archives so that way we can see that we're not gonna get there overnight, fam, but we're gonna get there if we stay consistent. Hold on.